Hi guys, it's Stacey, and I'm here with a Hobby Lobby clearance haul. I picked up a couple of things from the craft area, but the biggest thing Hobby Lobby has going right now is Copic markers. They're on clearance for 75% off, but I'm going to start real quick with this other stuff, and then I'll show you the Copics. I got this silicone like grippy mat for like a pot holder. I thought I would use it like to use my heat tool on, glue gun, set your ink pads on for blending, kind of like the Simon Says Stamp Positively tool, the paw-shaped one. I figured I could use that like a dupe. And that was $3.99 at 40% off, so that would put it, I believe, at $2.50? $2.39, about $2.39. And then they had this die here. This one is the Sizzix Thinlits. It's a die set. This is, I believe, 40% off as well. And 66574 is the number on it. I don't think there's a name to it. Character tags is what it's called. And this one is actually a 75% off, and I think this one was floating around from the last time they had this 75% off sale. So I went ahead and picked it up. I thought I could use a little house or clouds and whatnot on all kinds of different cards. This one is House Party, 664992. So I got those. They had some 90% off still in the fall, so I figured I could use these for however I want. I can DIY them and do different things and add to them. I mean, it's cheaper than the Dollar Tree at 49 cents, and it was normally $4.99, so 90% off that. This one says Market Fresh Produce. It's a little bit scuffed up, but I'm probably going to repurpose it, or we make everything look distressed anyway, so 59 cents, which means it was $5.99 originally. This sign here that says, welcome. I got that last one on there. Put it back, I'm sorry. And then this welcome one, which was 89 cents. Normally $8.99. And then probably what most people are here for are their Copics. So I went there yesterday, and what's happening is Hobby Lobby is no longer going to be carrying Copics. They're going to be getting rid of it. I confirmed with the gentleman last night that they're getting rid of them to replace them with their, I forget, Master's Touch, their brand. So last night, all the individual Copics are on sale for 75% off, which makes them $1.99. So I already have a pretty good size Copic collection, so I was just trying to plug holes. I did get some duplicates here, and some dry out. Like, if you don't use certain colors for a long time, even if you have the re-inkers, I've found that when I re-ink them and they're completely dry, like this marker, for example, this VO5, this thing is bone dry, and I've re-inked this multiple times, and to me, it's a waste of ink. I've replaced the nibs on some of these, and it still didn't work. So there's either probably a hairline fracture in the lids aren't fitting snugly, or something's gone bad and it's just crystallized. So I replaced some of the ones that had gone bad. And the gentleman that was there said test them because they do have a shelf life, and I did find a few that were bad. So about 3 years ago, I picked up a pretty good chunk of them at $1.99 as well, and I've had some of those go bad. So this is a really good price. Just check your markers. And then today, and he let me know that they would be being marked down. These sets weren't marked down yesterday, but they were today. So my husband kindly went back and picked me up some more of these. And as you can see, these were normally $54.99 and they're $8.49. And they each have 6 markers, except for this one has a Copic .3 liner in it. And so and then back on the clearance wall, I found this interesting. They had different spices. And spices are expensive, and I figured, I'll give it a try. So my husband and my son love Chipotle. So it's Mesa Rosa Chipotle. I got for $2.15 gourmet pink peppercorns. And this Taco Bout Tasty Hatch Chili, everything taco rep. This was pretty good. I had some of this last night, and I paid $2.37 for that. So that's what's at Hobby Lobby. Get on down there if you want some Copic markers. If you've been toying with the idea, this is a really good price to go try them at. And then if you don't like them, you can sell them or give them away. You know, whatever you want. Or if you have some markers that are starting to dry up. I mean, this is cheaper than buying a re-inker, and it gets you by for a while. So, everybody, thanks for watching. My channel really exploded in my last video where my husband had bought me some dies for Christmas, and that video, and just, it went bonkers. And I really appreciate everybody who's watched, the new subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway, and so look out for that. I didn't expect it to grow that quickly. I showed something that I was going to give away, and the last 2 videos had items that I was going to give away, and I've pulled a couple more. So what I'm probably going to end up doing is tucking it in my video somewhere, and doing my giveaway inside a video. So there's your heads up, and then I'll pick from open subscribers, visible subscribers, and it would be required to be a visible subscriber and to like and comment on the video that I tuck the giveaway in. Everybody, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Bye!